Hi Boys and Girls Club, it's Emily again. It's another Wednesday, so we're gonna give it a whirl and try making chocolate mug cakes. These are the ingredients we're gonna use today. Flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, vanilla, milk, and vegetable oil. We'll also need a tablespoon, a teaspoon, half a teaspoon, and a fourth of a cup. And, of course, a large mug. It's important to note that your mug needs to be able to be cooked in the microwave, so it needs to be microwavable safe. We're gonna add all the dry ingredients to the mug, which is a fourth of a cup of sugar, a fourth of a cup of flour, two tablespoons of cocoa powder, we need an eighth of a teaspoon, so half of a half teaspoon is a fourth of a teaspoon. So we're gonna use even less than that. About that much, eighth of a teaspoon. And we're gonna also put an eighth of a teaspoon of salt. That's too much salt. Just a little bit of salt. We're gonna go ahead and stir all those ingredients together, make sure they're all together. It's nice using a glass mug so we can see that it's nice and mixed. Now we're gonna add the liquid ingredients. We're gonna do 3 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2, 3. It's okay if you do a little bit more. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of oil. And an eighth of a teaspoon of vanilla, which is just a splash. Now we're gonna mix it all together. You'll start to notice a batter. Now for fun, if you want to, you can add some Nutella or chocolate chips or peanut butter, anything you want in your cake. Your mug cake and your batter, the final step is microwaving it for 1 minute to 2 minutes. I'm gonna start with 1 minute to see how it does. You can tell that it's cooked because it's gonna rise up and look like cake. All right, it's been 1 minute. Let's check on our mug cake. And you see it's a little liquid on top, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in for 20 more seconds. All right, so we've cooked our mug cake for a total of 1 minute and 40 seconds. You can see there's no liquid on top. It's a little bubbly, it's steaming. Let's go ahead and see how it cuts. And there we have it, a nice chocolate mug cake. Now before you take your first bite, you're gonna wanna let it cool down till it's nice and warm. You can add some ice cream if you need to. Thanks for watching, boys and girls. I hope you learned something new today. Tune in next week where we try and make some salsa. Bye.